जरा गौर से सुनिएगा। चांद की चांदनी बिखर गई, तारों की महफिल सज गई, इस नूरे आसमान में चमक उठा ये सब। अब जरा दिल पे हाथ रख के देखिए हम क्या क्या रंग दिखाते हैं। This Diamond Jubilee year is a proud moment indeed. Shivaji College is a multifaceted blend of cultures, traditions, hues of nature. Such acceptance and coexistence of myriad colors are woven into the very fabric of the college. The journey from its humble beginnings to becoming one of the premier colleges of the University of Delhi is truly an inspiration. We invite you to join us in this panoramic tour of our college. A trip down the memory lane evokes a wave of nostalgia. From black and white to color, from inauguration to golden to diamond, the college has a rich, ancient, ever evolving history. We have remained true to our motto of Amritam Tu Vidya and believe in the purity of knowledge above all. The diversity of disciplines, languages, and add on courses reflect this spirit. Our college has made a mark in all fields, be it academia, art, culture, or sports. We continually aspire for excellence and have received a plethora of accolades and awards over more than half a century. As the young leaders of tomorrow, our students have the passion and energy and commitment to make a difference. In academic and extracurricular achievements, they keep the flag of the institution flying high. The infrastructure of the college is constantly updated and revamped. The campus contains modern facilities, state of the art labs, classrooms, and seminar halls. The library is spacious, well equipped, and enriched with rich collection of books and journals with RFID technology. The computer and science labs are also equipped with the latest cutting edge technology to keep up with the rapidly developing technological advancements. The Jijabai academic block heralds yet more avenues of exploration and learning that foster scientific temperament and humanitarian spirit. The college is equipped with a vast sports ground and encourages tournaments and activities all through the year. The college recognizes the imperative need for conservation and cleanliness and maintains a vehicle free and smoke free premises. Adoption of best practices, updated facilities for students, and eco friendly measures like solar power panels and herbal garden aid in reducing the carbon footprint and keeping the college clean and green. Adding to these measures are airy corridors, well ventilated classrooms, and LED lights on the campus. With hands on equipment and materials, students at Shivaji College are given many opportunities to develop and nurture various facets of their student life, from academics to dance, from theatre and music to a variety of sports. Life insurance cover of Rs 2,60,000 has been instituted by the college. Research is the fuel for discovery, inquiry, and learning. An ever evolving, ever learning environment contributes to the excellence of education in an institution. In order to create strong academic foundations, the students, faculty members, as well as non teaching staff are encouraged to update their skills by attending refresher and orientation courses, exchange programs, and workshops throughout the year. The college organizes several international national conferences, seminars, lecture series, and workshops to provide a platform to engage with eminent speakers. Publications by the college encourage recognition and acknowledgement of creativity and academia. They provide a platform for freedom and originality of expression. Our college facilitates teamwork, sportsmanship, and integrity on the field as well as in life. Our students learn that winners never quit and quitters never win. Shivaji College has made its mark not only in academia but also in cultural arenas, sports, and community outreach. The Cultural Committee, consisting of a plethora of societies that specialize on music, dance, Theatre, debate, and photography contributes immensely to the holistic development of young minds. Service to a just cause rewards the worker with more happiness and satisfaction than any other venture in life. The college believes in ideals of social service and conducts several community outreach programs through committees like the National Service Scheme, National Cadet Corps, and SPADE, the Society for Practical Application and Development of Economics. The Eco Club works throughout the year to create awareness about the environment and to conserve a healthy ecosystem. It encourages students to be green crusaders and develop passion and commitment towards environmental preservation. The Equal Opportunity Cell champions the cause of students with disabilities and addresses their concerns. Committees like the Placement Cell, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, and Finance and Investment Cell at Shivaji College encourage the development of business acumen. Recruitment and placement drives are held regularly. Shivaji College also provides an exemplary environment that instills social justice and responsibility among students. We are in the vanguard in championing the cause of gender equality and women empowerment via the Women Development Cell. Shivaji College celebrates the lives of men and women who challenge patriarchy and exploitation to pave the way for an equitable society. Such members are facilitated with the Jijabai Awards annually, and their journeys are showcased in the Coffee Table Books, which are an annual publication of the WDC. TEDx at Shivaji College brings together individuals from every discipline and culture and believes in the power of ideas in changing attitudes, lives, society, and the world. We at Shivaji have set trends not just within the campus but beyond. We have made our mark in multiple fields and it's reflected in the media reports and news articles. The alumni of our college have made us proud, and it is rightly said that any institution's alumni are the key to its growth. Over the years, we have been honored to welcome many eminent visitors to our beautiful campus. Their footprints have been embedded within the grounds, the walls, the very infrastructure of the institution, and in the memories of faculty and students. As the country now finds itself in the midst of the COVID-19 outbreak and lockdown, Shivaji College has stepped forward to ensure the safety and mental well-being of its students, teachers, and staff members, even while continuing the teaching-learning process. From humble beginnings in a village ground in Patiala, today we are a technologically brilliant institution that has faced multiple challenges and emerged tall and proud. Entering the gates of the college is a joy unmatched. We feel rejuvenated and enthralled with the atmosphere of vibrant flowers, lush greens, and happy students. The lovely moments in our beloved college built up over the years have created memories that will last forever. Shivaji College, you have made us who we are today.